I don't think there was just one thing I learned from my mom. It's how I get to work on time. It's how I get dinner on the table for my family. It's all the little things that add up that help me get through the day.
She was always very big on ensuring that no matter how kind of hectic or crazy a day may be, really to organize and get things in line at home before you start your day.
I was the youngest of four, so my mom always collected all our artwork and school projects and put them in individual folders. So now that we're older, she's just passed them out recently to us.
My mom taught us to get everything ready for school or work the night before, so we could just wake up and roll off to school.
My mom kept a very, very tidy house. My benefit is the mother of my child's very organized as well, so she keeps a very tidy house. So what I've learned is always find somebody that keeps a very, very organized, tidy house, and you'll be happy.
Probably just cleaning as you go. After every meal, she taught me to clean up everything in the kitchen. That way you have no headache left for the next day.
The best organization tip I learned from my mom was to organize my clothes by color so you can easily see what you need and go ahead and grab it.
The most important lesson I think my mom taught me is to treat other people with kindness and respect.
To be patient, really to take a moment and think through certain situations, and also really to be patient with others was a big part of it.
My mom taught me never to give up, never to let anybody keep you down. Just keep persisting through everything.
To be independent and to be strong.
It was to always be good to people. My mom taught me to, take care of everyone, just be very loving, like she was unconditionally.
Probably treat everyone with respect and be a good host. If someone comes in your house, it's your duty to make them feel welcome and to make sure they feel important and valued.
To do your best and just work really hard.
I love you, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you, all the moms in my life.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.